Afternoon to all. Today I am going to explain the chapter indefinite integration using by parts. Okay. Chapter name is indefinite integration for class 12 using by parts. Just see the sums I am doing from the book R.S. Agarwal. Exercise 2C. Question number 1. Just see. It is given x into e to the power x dx. Here x is the first function. X is the first function. E to the x is the second function. As for the formula, first function into integration of second function minus integration sign derivative of first function that you have taken first function, that derivative of first function into integration of second whole dx. X is the first function, x into integration e to the power x dx minus integration sign derivative of x, that is 1, integration of e to the power x that you have written here, that you have write here, e to the x. E to the x integration is e to the power x. Now from the last you are getting x into e to the x minus e to the power x plus c. You can take e to the x common here. You can keep it like this. Question number 2. It is given x into cos x integration. X is the first function. Trigonometrical function cos x is the second function. As for the formula, Euler rule, x integration of cos x dx minus integration sign derivative of first function, that is x, into integration of cos x dx. Now x into cos x integration is sin x, integration sin derivative x is 1, cos x integration is sin x. Again integration of sin x is minus cos x. Finally you are getting x into sin x plus cos x plus c is the answer. Question number 3. Integration x into e to the power 2x dx. X is the first function, integration e to the 2x dx minus integration sin derivative of x, that is first function, into integration of e to the 2x dx whole dx. Integration of e to the 2x is e to the 2x by 2, coefficient of a divided, minus integration sign x derivative 1 into integration of e to the 2x, e to the 2x by 2, 1 by 2 taken outside. Here you are getting 1 by 2 x into e to the 2x minus half integration e to the 2x dx. Again integration of e to the 2x will be e to the 2x by 2, means 1 by 4 e to the 2x. Okay, and this is the answer of number 3. I hope it is clear for you. Let us go to next number. Question number 4. Integration x into sin 3x dx. Here x is the first function, integration of second, that is sin 3x minus integration sin derivative of first function into integration of sin 3x whole dx. X into integration sin 3x will be minus cos 3x by 3 minus x derivative 1, integration of sin 3x, that is minus cos 3x by 3, it will be plus 1 by 3 taken outside, integration of cos 3x dx. Okay, now it is coming minus 1 by 3x cos 3x plus 1 by 3 integration cos 3 dx. So what is the integration of cos 3x? That is sin 3x by 3, means 1 by 9 sin 3x. Finally getting minus 1 by 3x cos 3x plus 1 by 9 sin 3x plus 3. Number 5. Integration x square cos x dx. Here x square is the first function, integration of second cos x minus integration sin derivative of x square, that is 2x, 2 taken outside, integration of cos x, that is sin x. Okay, x square into derivative 2x, 2 taken outside. Okay, again you have to apply by parts, because x into sin x. X is the first function, integration sin x minus derivative x is 1, sin x integration directly I'm writing minus cos x. 2 times by parts you have to apply here. Now if I open the bracket, this will be, as it is integration of sin x is minus cos x, minus minus plus 2x cos x, this will be plus 2 plus, again minus sign is there, minus 2 cos x integration is sin x. The final answer you are getting x square sin x plus 2x cos x minus 2 sin x plus. In this way question number 5 also completed. Thank you for today's class. Next day I do remaining part of the exercise.